What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial on our channel. Today we're going to see how to fix Samsung S26 Ultra mobile data not working problem. If your mobile network connection is unstable and you cannot use mobile data, try resetting your network settings. Just go to Settings on your Samsung phone and select General Management. You'll find the Reset button, just select it. Now, click Reset Network Settings. Now check the on-screen information, then tap Reset Settings. Now all you have to do is press Reset again and your device will restart, and this should fix your mobile data. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.